Hold on. Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be trying the Loreal Colorista spray. It's a temporary spray, and I'm going to see how this looks on my throat today. So if you would like to see how this spray works, and also does it rinse out, does it stain, which is always my biggest concern, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so like I said in the beginning, I will be temporarily dyeing my hair today using L'Oreal Colorista spray, and it's a one-day color, and it's for hints and highlights. It says it washes off in one shampoo. We shall see at the end, okay, because that's the most important part to me. I had a bad experience with, it wasn't a spray, it was like a hair chalk, and it stained my hair. My hair was stained for like a month, so I don't even know why I'm trying this right now, but I did get a good review from my girl T Scott JN on Instagram. I'll leave her Instagram down below. She tried it and she let me know that it washes out easy, but let's see. Everybody's hair is different. It says visible on all hair types, and it says it may transfer, follow fabric wash instructions. Okay, so I will be putting a towel around my shoulders just so I don't mess up this white shirt. Why did I choose a white shirt? So I'm gonna go ahead and read the instructions. Place a towel around the shoulders to protect clothing. Shake well before each use. Hold the can 4 to 6 inches away from dry hair and spray. Wait a few minutes for color to completely dry. And it also says what to expect. The lighter the hair, the more vibrant the color your result. So I'm sure I should get pretty vibrant results. I mean, so let me go ahead and shake this thing up. Okay, and it has a very like long nozzle. I didn't expect that, but we'll see how this goes. And it said 4 to 6 inches away from hair. Oh, by the way, this was $10. I got this from Ulta. They sell it at Walmart as well. I think it's a little bit cheaper at Walmart, but they didn't have the color I wanted. I wanted to get this pink color because, you know, pinky, duh. Why wouldn't I want pink? I'm kind of scared. It smells like your average hairspray. Okay, if you get a little bit closer, you get more of a vibrant color. Ooh. It can get in your mouth, y'all. It can get in your mouth. Hold on. Oh my goodness. I should have wore a mask. Okay. Hold on. That literally choked me up. Oh my goodness. I'm not even in a tight space, y'all. Like, my room is like pretty open, but goodness, I need a break. Lord, beware. Oh my God. I'm coughing like I'm like a smoker or something. Like, my eyes are watering. Oh my goodness. Child, I did not expect that. I did not expect for it to be like this strong. The thing is, the smell is not even what's strong. It's like, I don't know, I guess maybe like whatever's in it is, it's just so strong. It's like, whoo. This is the front. It is more of like highlighty, but it's pretty much saturated as far as I'm concerned. Like, it looks like a wig to me. It's cute. Now I'm gonna show you the back. I wasn't able to get the back as good as I was the front, but it's still, you know, it still looks good. And I did use this whole bottle. If you have like my length of hair or shorter, you'll definitely only need one bottle. I thought maybe I would need two, but unless you just want it like saturated and you go like section by section, just making sure that it's completely, you know, covered, then maybe you'll need like 2 bottles. But I think 1 bottle will do just fine. I didn't like go in depth like to my roots, so I just pretty much got the surface, and I feel like that's good enough for an afro. This is exactly the color I was going for. I'm so happy it came out this cute. But my hair is blonde, so I imagine that a darker color you would get less vibrant color. So just be mindful of that if you have darker hair. Now that I see my hair like this, I think I want to try like maybe like a auburn reddish color, because I usually don't like, you know, red, but then maybe I want to switch it up for a day. I did get some residue on my hands, not too much. I'm gonna go try to wash my hands and see how easy this rinses off, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so when I washed my hands, it pretty much rinsed off. If my hair stains, I'm gonna be so mad. I can't explain how mad I'll be if my hair. But you know what, I decided to do this, so I can only be mad at myself. So that's my first impression. My next clip is going to be me trying to wash and rinse this out, and we shall see if it actually all rinses out.
First of all, let me say the transfer is crazy. Do not wear any clothes that you don't want to get ruined. Well, I don't know, it might rinse out, but my white shirt was done. So first I started off by trying to just rinse it out, which ultimately was unsuccessful. I figured I would have to wash my hair, so I'm not really too mad about that. So this is my first attempt at washing it. While I was rinsing, I saw that the color was definitely becoming diluted, but it was like so clearly still there. And I was trying to have high hopes. So of course I started to wash again. I used purple shampoo this time because that tends to like wash my hair really good as well as tone it. And I don't know, it just wasn't looking like it was going to wash out. Like, y'all, I was getting really like concerned at this point because the pink was still clearly there, and I thought at least by like the second wash that I would see like, you know, no pink at all, or just way less than what I was seeing. So I was like really concerned that my hair was going to be stained, and like I said before, I was going to be real upset. So at this point, I'm washing again, and honestly, I was willing to wash my hair as many times as it took to get this pink out of my hair, because there's no way I'm walking around with even like a slight tint of pink, noticeable pink in my hair. So this is what I'm doing at this point. This is wash number 3, and I still see that pink. It's like, it looks more like a strawberry blondish color, but I don't even want that. So here I am washing once again. If I'm being honest, I'm becoming frantic at this point because I really expected for this to wash out very easily. Like, every other product that I've ever used has washed out way easier than this. Like, I'm on my 4th wash right here, about to be 5th, because this is still not what I want. I can still see pink. I'm like, you can see in my face, I'm freaking out. So I'm washing once again. This is my 5th wash. Clearly, I was determined to get this pink out of my hair. And so by the time I rinsed this out, I was tired. And I decided that these little tiny hints, like, it's very, very subtle. You can't even hardly see it. I bet most of you can't see it. But I was just over the whole process of having to wash for about 6 times. So my final opinion, the color is beautiful and pretty and popping, and if you would like to switch up to your color, I feel like it's perfect for that. I feel like I had more negatives than positives now that I look back, because when I was spraying it on, I was coughing and it was getting all up my nose. Like, y'all, I blew pink out of my nose for like the next day, okay? And then as for rinsing it out, I feel like if it's a temporary color, it should not take that many washes and rinses in order for it to come out. I doubt I will ever use this ever again. I said before that I would possibly do it for a different color. That was a lie, because I didn't even know how much it would take to rinse out. But for others, it might not be that much of an issue. But for me, if it's temporary, go ahead and be temporary, okay? But let me know what you guys think down below. Will you be trying it yourself? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.